this piece is what is going to be here. So this is going to sit like this. I'm going to see if it's going to align properly. If it doesn't, we'll do it again. And see, this is how this will sit. This is how this will sit. This way. Let me see this way. All I need to do now is check and make sure that everything is properly aligned, that this is in the right position that I want. And then I'll take off all of this. I straightened it out using a hammer, so you can see. Just straightened that. So this seems to have lined up now properly, so you can see. So the next thing I'm gonna do right now is I just need to grind these edges so I can make so it can be straight, properly straight. I'll use an angle grinder for that, and then I will do a little bit of gluing here to put this in proper shape. So it looks like it's holding on well here. So I'm gonna grind this. I have my angle grinder here. I'm gonna grind this places just a little bit because I need to apply welding glue on this, so I can glue that with it. So I need to grind this place and to grind off all these sharp edges so that the thing can sit properly, and then we'll see where we go from there. So it's done. I've gone ahead and grounded it properly, and then I'll align it again, and then once it's properly aligned again, and then I would try and apply the glue on it. So I got this 3M impact resistance structural adhesive. I got it online. This, I believe they said, is used for bonding together metals, car body parts. So it came in with these two nozzles right here, and then also came in with a brush. And I also got this gun that is used for it. Got it for that. I'm actually using this for the first time, so but I just believe it's gonna work. I'm gonna put it on top of it, and then we'll see how it goes. It needs to be bonded together depending on temperature for about 7 to 8 hours for it to properly hold, and I'm gonna clamp it in place. But before I do that, I've already grounded these edges. I will put it on this side, and then put the part I want to bond, put it there, and then I'll clamp it together, and then I'll leave it to dry for about 7 to 8 hours, and then later we'll come back and see how it does. I believe, based on the people that have seen, they said they've used this before, I believe it holds it properly, just like a welding machine will do. Okay, so this has been I installed this on the cartridge, and this is it. As you can see, it's a 3M impact resistance structural adhesive. And then pushing this through just to be sure I got it right. through on both sides, and okay, still coming out. So, okay, we're ready to roll. Cool. That's it. I'm gonna apply this on the spots where I want the thing to lay on. I'm just gonna apply it there. I don't want to put too much. Okay. Also, again, I'm doing this for the first time, using this material the first time. I just want to see how good it's gonna be for to weld this together, because this I've had friends who said they've used this to you know, join all cars together, and they said it worked pretty well. So that's what I'm trying to just figure out, if that will work for me also. But so I'm taking it with a pinch of salt. I believe, I'm just hoping it's gonna work. If not, I just want to try this and see if it works. Hopefully, I believe it should. Just okay, that's laid there. Then now I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna lay it. I'm gonna take this. I will lay there, and then I'll clip it, and I'll be back. So I've gone ahead and I've applied the glue on this. I want to see what the outcome will be, if it's gonna hold or if it's not gonna hold. After about 7 or 8 hours, I'll come out and take it out, and then we'll see. So that's it for now. I'll be back in 8 hours. It's more than 12 hours now that I've glued this thing. I want to see if it actually holds, if we got it together. You can see the thing is dry. Now let's see if it worked as just as they said it's gonna do it. So I want to see, like I said, it's my first time of using this, so I'll see if it's actually holds true. Yeah, removing the clips. Let's see. What we got? Yeah. Yeah. You know what? I can tell you this thing really holds very well, as you can see. That bonds nicely. It doesn't need you don't need welding anymore. It's all fully bonded in together. As you can see, it's all bonded. Yep, everything is fully bonded in, glued in and bonded in. So looks like it works. Looks like it worked. We're gonna need to do go to the next stage. I'm gonna need to fix this and then put the piece here. I'm gonna put it there and then let's see how we go from there. So like this side, the 3M impact resistant structural adhesive, it did the job just as good as you can see. It's holding really well, just like a welded piece of metal. Listen, that's it.